It's a beautiful day today, nice blue skies. I've got this property, it's a Roughcast property that needs treating and cleaning. And thanks for all the messages I received on my last video. A lot of comments about my visor and power pack that I wear. I did suggest to somebody that it was a jetpack that helps me reach the top of the building. Pre-soaking the wall. You can see when water's on it, when it's wet, it looks really bad. And that's what the homeowners want to live with most of the time. Yes, yep. It's okay, it's only water, yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Sorry, I couldn't see you.
No.
Is that all right for you?
Oh, that's a bit too strong, that.
Is it?
Oh, I
Yeah.
needed milk in it as well.
Oh, sorry.
Good, put hairs on my chest, thank you.
Are you sure? Is that all right?
That's very good, thank you.
Yeah.
And the walls look worse, don't they, when they're wet? When they
They
wet
do.
from the rain and that, they...
In winter, they looked awful.
Yes, yeah.
Looked when they weren't drying out.
Right. And all the work that we do, or the majority of it, is actually done from the ground. We don't need to be putting up a scaffolding. 95% of our work is done from the ground. I've got some jobs where I use a local cherry picker man. He's really good. And we normally use him for where we need real high access. This is just wetting the wall, just so that it doesn't take up too much chemical. Give it a good soak, and as you can see, it looks really bad now. And that's what it normally looks like in the winter for most houses if it's left. This is Roughcast or wet dash render. So it's quite a lot harder than K-rend. But we still like to use low pressure. This is an algae, the red, called Trentepohlia. We've got some lichens in there. There's mould. So there's a lot going on this wall actually. And once I've treated it, so put biocide on, and I'll leave that on for about an hour. And then I use low pressure hot water to rinse away the dead spores. And if there are any remaining spores on there, they will clear by natural weathering. just finished this one, and it's drying out. Don't know whether it shows up because the sun's on it. It's looking a lot better than it was. So all the streaks have gone. I think the shadow might not show it off at its best, but as it's drying out, it will get white. So along here there was a lot of algae and mould. That's all gone. Yeah, that's watermark. Bit of rust. But the staining's gone. It's still blue skies. Really good. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and if you subscribe then you'll get notification of any new videos that I do. So I'll see you on the next one.